Baki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV.
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ketenat Pulit jang gejala Meghalaya, kala Pynshai patba bakuwe ke video pelapin Saphriang haga social media. Kebakam baki Pulit, kala Pynshai tomben ya uwe uru patba hapo tanat, haga jing shisha, kede ke belajar syabar gejala Meghalaya. Barkam don jing ade satya barkecing keno, baki Pulit, kala Pynshai tomben ya uwe usamla hapo ke tanat seorang police station Dangshan. Ketenat Pulit kalau orang baka video ke belah Saphriang kedai ke bersyupin priang lam ler, but on dalam tokit benia, la pinti kena baka ni ke video kedai ke belajar syabar ke jela Meghalaya. Syusyu ketenat Pulit kalau kintui kipat ba bekim day Pynshai alam bakla. Haki video lam ler ke bersyupin priang dan manure haka social media, hindri ke dia benda pin shisha syua ben Saphriang.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.